Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by saving a backup and opening word styles and navigation panes so you can see headings live. Once done, inspect which heading styles the document actually uses and note any manual formatting. You will act on the style definitions directly rather than individual paragraphs. This ensures consistent numbering. Make sure to remove direct paragraph numbering if applied. Reset to the base heading style, because mixed methods break automatic sequences and cause numbering gaps. You now define a new multilevel list and link levels to heading styles so numbering is driven by style hierarchy. Select Level 1 and choose Heading 1, then set Level 2 to Heading 2, continuing through all used levels. Use the Include Level number from option to build 1 formats and set Restart List after where appropriate. Once linked, update the list, formatting, and apply the heading styles to affected headings to propagate correct numbers across the document. You finish by reapplying heading styles throughout the document so Word recalculates numbering based on the multilevel list. Once done, scan the navigation pane to ensure sequence continuity. If numbers skip, inspect for manual paragraph numbering, section breaks, or paragraphs not using a heading style. Make sure to use restart numbering only when a new sequence is intended. If problems persist, clear direct formatting, Ctrl+space, on the offending heading and reapply the linked heading style to restore.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.